two different types to dental veneers. One is a direct one, which we call a Componeer. So a Componeer is a prefabricated composite material, exactly like the tooth filling materials. And we can choose the shade and shape of the material right there and then. So while you're sitting in the chair, we can mold the materials to the shape and shade of your need, and we can mold and sculpt it accordingly. So it's very quick and cost effective. However, the longevity is medium, meaning every 2 to 4 years it needs refurbishment. And the second type of veneer, which we call ceramic veneers, is placed indirectly. So what is required is to prepare the face of the tooth. So sometimes we call it a minimal reduction tooth preparation, and then we'll make a mold of the tooth and send it to the lab, and they'll fabricate these veneers that are very thin and yet very aesthetic, and they're very strong. So once they're cemented onto the tooth, they last a long time. What has been popular recently is a cheaper, lower quality imports from China or Korea. And what happens with these lower quality materials is sometimes they don't come with a warranty, and sometimes there is a color mismatch, and then you have to send them back. So what can go wrong with the veneers? There are certain things that can go wrong. Number one is a fracture or chipping of a veneer, and it can debond, meaning it can fall off as well, and it's very common. The second problem that can occur is the staining of the margins. So where the veneer meets the tooth, there is a small gap and it can stain very easily. Especially with smokers and heavy coffee drinkers, it will stain quicker. And the third problem that can occur is allergic reaction to some of the materials that are especially imported from overseas. So this can be a problem. Another problem that can come to mind is the preparation of the tooth sometimes causes sensitivity due to the aggressive reduction of a tooth. So that's very bad. Why should you come to us for an appointment for veneers? We use the best quality material that, in my opinion, is A grade and local made. We use Australian labs, so it's very quick. So if anything goes wrong, or if at any point we decide that the shape or shade of these are not perfectly to your requirements and you don't like the color, for instance, we can quickly send it back and ask for a different color material, and they all come with a warranty, meaning if anything happens to it, say chipping or debonding, we can repair it and put it back free of charge.